Snoring surgery is a very important step, and it has become a norm, especially in continental Europe, with the advent of robotic surgery. We are now able to provide a operative solution to the group of individuals who are struggling with snoring, having problems in their personal life, unable to sleep with their partners, and causing both mental, emotional, and anxiety and illness. What one does assesses an individual with a what we call a sleep nasendoscopy, which is people get to put to sleep, which is an artificial sleep with anesthetic, and then you assess where the problem is, and then you cater for the problem with different types of operation. I have full facilities available at Priory Hospital and going forward at HCA Hospital, which is the Harborne Hospital, very next to Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Birmingham. With my practice of robotic surgery, I also provide the specialist snoring surgery for people with snoring disorders.